Welcome to the Craft Workshop. The beauty of agate rocks rests in the uneven, unpredictable yet unique patterns and forms we see in each one of them. Today we are in a workshop with Mr. Sombhai Rana, an artisan with an experience of 38 years. Used by us in many ways, agates can be cut into slabs, made into beads for the purpose of jewelry making of mainstream as well as unconventional products. In today's workshop, we will be learning about the methods and tools used and the products made by skilled artisans. The agate deposits are concentric layers around the walls of the cavity or in horizontal layers building up from the bottom. These structures produce the banded patterns that are characteristics of many agates. In Gujarat, agates rock are found over a stretch of 120 miles surrounding Khambat. These are blue and red colored agates. In local language, these agate stones are called as Gharghota. It is also known as Karla stone in Khambat. Agate stones are widely used in the making of jewelry. The process of working with agates consists of breaking of large-sized rocks into small pieces with the help of bullock horn hammer. To make them brittle, they are subjected to heat treatment in 2 stages. Initially, the stones are left under the sunlight to get rid of its moisture content. Then, the stones are baked at high temperatures. After baking the stones at about 350 to 450 degrees Celsius, the color of the stone changes to permanent metal oxides color due to the presence of some metal elements in the stones. Agate is also used today for decorative displays, cabochons, beads, carvings, and intarsia art, as well as faced polished and tumble polished specimens of varying sizes and origin. Under Mr. Sombhai's guidance, we worked with agate stones to create products and jewelry with a touch of newness and fresh concepts. We learned methods to combine the stones with craft wires and strings as well as the hazards of working with them. We worked with stringing the agate beads together, weaving wire around them, and making contemporary products along with traditional methods. The craft holds a very creative future. We can see that from the products that have already been made. There can be numerous designs and combinations of products that can attract the market and also the upcoming generation, so they can further contribute in upholding the craft in the coming years. We tried to make the best out of this beautiful material and produced some merchandise.
Beadwork is the use of beads in fabric decoration, jewelry making, or creating decoration and big handiwork. Beads may be individually stitched, applied in threaded lengths, or actually woven into the material. The weft threaded with the beads before being woven in, that is. Seed beads are uniformly shaped spheroidal beads ranging in sizes from under a millimeter to several millimeters. Two principal techniques are used to produce these seed beads, the wound method and the drawn method. The wound method uses glass, whereas the drawn method generally uses iron. Though beads have been made since ancient times, glass beads and the idea of beadwork are comparatively new. While beadwork flourishes in some parts, its traditional use as ornament and dress have all but vanished among some of the minor tribal groups. Beadwork, also known as Moti Bharat, is believed to be later in origin than embroidery. In Gujarat, beadwork was started in the Saurashtra region. However, Khambat has now become the center of beadwork products. Beadwork techniques have broadly been divided into loom and off-loom weaving, stringing, bead embroidery, bead crochet, bead knitting, and bead tatting. Bead stringing is the process of putting beads on a string with the help of a needle. The string can be a cotton thread, a nylon thread, or a synthetic thread material, or even a wire. Off-loom bead weaving is a family of beadwork techniques in which the seed beads are woven together. All off-loom techniques can be accomplished using a single needle and thread. Bead embroidery is a type of beadwork that uses a needle and thread to stitch beads to a surface of fabric, suede, or leather. Bead crochet is a crochet technique that incorporates beads into crochet fabric. The technique is used to produce decorative effects in women's fashion accessories. Beaded knitting is a type of knitting in which the stitches are decorated with ceramic or glass beads. There are two main approaches: threading the beads on an advance and threading the beads on individually as the object is knitted. Complex creations are those that have multiple strands or interwoven levels. By using a bead needle or a sewing needle, makers attach two or more beads together and craft them on specific texture. Today, Mrs. Reshmaben Rana, a beadwork craftswoman with an experience of 26 years, will be guiding us through the process of beadwork. The inhabitants from Panchmahal use different colors and textures to make it bright and gorgeous. Be it home decor or apparel, using variety of colors help them maintain the ethnic style of Gujarat. They use different shapes, colors, designs, material and sizes of beads. Moti Bharat, as it is traditionally recognized, is utilized in diverse products, creating graphical, three-dimensional effects on textile. Bead embroidery on textiles is one of the most favored forms of textile embellishment being practiced in Gujarat. We learnt about the tools and the processed use and the types of beads and variety of products that can be made using these methods. Ever since its presence, beadwork has undergone several changes due to various factors. One major prominent feature of beadwork craft is the presence of intricacy, and this feature has not changed. We created some innovative products by the end of the workshop to seal the deal.